Good morning, my friends. Hope you guys are doing pretty well. Today is a very beautiful day. Welcome to the Alpha Trader. And for those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Algo. I'm a Forex trader and I'm also a student. Today is one of those typical weekly days in my life where I always wake up and see a nice chart setup, and then most of the times it end up in a red. And it's not like I'm bringing some kind of bad energy, but the thing is, it always happens to me, but I'm seeing a very nice setup today, which kind of hikes me up. I'm trying to flip an account, and not just that, but I'm as well going to show you guys how to calculate risk management using Baby Pips calculator today. So guys, if you guys really feel interested in this video, stay tuned, hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and come on guys, let's roll into for the day. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we got to show you guys today. Okay guys, so we exactly on GBP USD right now. We are on GBP USD, and guys, I saw this setup when I woke up in the morning, and it looks like a head and a shoulder to me. I don't know if you guys can see it well, but really I could see a head. I could see something pushing up like a head. It comes down, like a left shoulder comes up, creates a head, and then creates like a right shoulder. Okay, so should this trade really pull out the way I'm expecting, then I was going to sell this market all the way back down here, okay, or maybe even further, because this is like a really swing, this is like a good spot to take swing setups. So I saw this trade this morning, and I entered with just like 0.01 because I have a very small live account I'm trying to grow. So I wanted to just enter the trade and then just let it ride and then stack in with time, because I wanted to flip that account. Okay, so guys, upon this second shoulder being formed, I saw something again here like a double top. Okay, because this is the first top, this is the second top, and you realize that each time price gets to this other block zone, there is some kind of massive rejection. Okay, so I thought it wise that okay, if there is a massive rejection here, there's a massive rejection here, and there's a massive rejection here, then probably price getting here is a probability that is going to break this trend line, because this trend line runs all the way from behind. Okay, this trend line runs all the way from behind. So I was looking at it like, okay, if that's the case, then there's a probability that price is just going to break this trend line and then push all the way down. So stepping down to like lower time frames, let's say 1 hour, if we step down to the 1 hour time frame, you see that it becomes very clear, because it's very clear, because this is like that first top we're talking about, this is that massive rejection, and this is the second top, and price has pushed down again, meaning there's a probability that price might just keep pushing downwards. And this is the first traffic. We have like 3 traffics on this trade, but this is the first traffic, this is the second traffic, the third traffic is still down, but no problem, I'm still expecting price to push all the way down and just go bearish. Anyway, that's my trade idea for now. I've already taken a single entry, and I just want to show you guys I'm just in with a single entry, and I really wanted to stack on this trade, guys. I really wanted to stack on this trade. I'm just in with a single entry. If you look clearly, it's just floating, it's 0.01, and you can see the account size there as well too. Okay, and it's a live account. Okay, it's a live account. So I just wanted to enter with more entries, but I'm waiting for a little bit of pullback, and then I was going to stack in more, because it's not yet 8 o'clock, so I'm still like waiting for that volume to come into the market. So I really don't just want to rush into stacking and then very soon volume comes in and takes me out. Okay, so I'm really conservative, but at the same time wanting to risk more. I'll be taking you guys straight away to showing you guys how to calculate your risks in terms of you doing risk management. Remember, there was a video I told you guys I was going to release a part 2 of that video where I'll be talking about risk management. So today guys, I'll be taking you guys to Baby Pips calculator, and I'll be explaining to you guys exactly how you can calculate your risks in terms of your account size and learn how to scale up and make some money. Okay, so for those of you guys who are like using prop firms, you might know how to scale up and calculate your risks so that you don't just get to lose your account sizes carelessly. Okay guys, so I'm already on it on Google. I already searched it, Baby Pips calculator. I told you guys we're going to be calculating how you can manage your account sizes and scale up in terms of risks. Okay, so when you get to Baby Pips calculator, this is the website. it shows the position size calculator. You hit on position size calculator and it has to load for you. Okay, all you have to do is wait for it to load. Now it comes there. You have position size calculator, you have the account in terms of currency, you have account balance. Here, account balance, you can choose any account balance based on the account size you're having. Take for instance, you have a $5,000 account, you write there 5,000 next. They're going to ask you what's your risks, like how many percentage of risks are you willing to take on that trade. Take for instance, you're risking 2% and you take next. They're going to ask you what's your stop loss. Now your stop loss might depend on you, depending on the trade you want to take. Okay, your trade might be a 50 pip stop loss, 25 pip stop loss, 20 pip stop loss. Let's take for instance you're taking 25 pip stop loss. Okay, so you write there 25 pip stop loss on the trade, be it to buy or a sell, depends on the trade. And then you go again next. Then they're going to ask you now, what is your currency pair? For me, I trade GBP USD, so I'll be taking GBP USD. On GBP USD now, after that, they just say calculate. You just hit on calculate. When you hit on calculate, this is the amount you're risking. On the $5,000, when I'm risking 2%, it means that I'll be risking $100 per trade. And my position size is going to be 40,000 units. And on a standard lot, that means if I have to use a standard lot, I'll use just 0.4, okay? But on a mini lot, I'll use 4 mini lots. It means that I'll enter 1 mini lot, 2 mini lot, 3 mini lot, 4 mini lots. So it's like I'll enter like not like just like one position. I'll enter like 1 mini lot, I stay again, 2 mini lot, I stacking again, 3 mini lot, just like that. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm saying. And then now going now to the micro lot. The micro lot, it means that I'll have to use 40 micro lots. If I have to be risking 2% per trade, I'll be using 40 micro lots on 25 pips risk. And that 40 micro lots, it means that I'll have to stack in like 1 micro lot, stacking 40 times. Okay, 40 times, and all is going to it should give me approximately 25 pips of risk. And that is how I'm going to be risking 2% on a $5,000 account. Take for instance, you wanted to risk it on maybe another pair like GJ. Take for instance, you are risking on GBP JPY or any, just this here GJ. You are risking on GJ. They're still going to ask you the same thing again. The currency is a current USD and JPY ask price. A lot of people ask me about this thing. Okay, so what you just have to do here is go and copy the exact current floating price on that currency pair you're about to trade. Copy the exact price which is floating. You might not really it's not really stable, but just copy the price that you know that is around that range, and then you come and put in that number here. So when you copy the price, this is how it comes. You copy it, and then all you have to do is hit calculate. Okay, same thing, same scenario. You'll be risking 2%, 25 pip stop loss on GBP JPY, and this is the exact current ask price you'll be given, and then you hit there calculate as well. Okay, when you hit on calculate, you'll be risking the same $100 on $5,000 account, and your position size unit is no more going to be 50,000 but 54,184 units. And for standard lots, you're going to use 0.5. So it means you're going to use 0.5 minimum standard minimum lot. That's what it means. So if you have to just like enter with just one position, you just enter with 0.541. Maybe that's like how you're going to enter. But if you have to enter with multiple positions, it means you have to break it down. Now if you're breaking it down, it means you can enter 5 times. On a minimum lot, you can enter 5 times. That is 1 minimum lot, 2 minimum lot, 3 minimum lot, 4 minimum lot, 5 minimum lot, just like on GBP USD, the way I explained. Okay, on a micro lot, you're going to be using 54 micro lots, exactly as I explained. You're going to be using 54 micro lots. So guys, when this happens to you, it means that if the trade goes against you and hits your stop loss, you're going to be losing exactly $100. But if it goes into your take profit, let's say you're risking a risk to reward ratio of 1:2, you're going to make like $200, $400, $300, depending on your reward ratio. Okay, so guys, that's it basically for how to calculate your risk on babypips.com. This is a sell position, and I entered with just one entry, and actually this price just pushed up all the way back, and I'm waiting for price to come back to this resistance up here somewhere at 1.2490 and above. Okay, I really need to see price rejecting off from this area, and trust me guys, I'm going to sell back this market with multiple positions and ride it all the way back to the bottom. Okay, like I want to sell this market and ride it all the way back to the bottom, somewhere down below like 1.2400. so guys, all depends on how the market behaves this morning. I'm just expecting price to push up a little bit and then maybe sell the market. But if I start finding continuous rejection at this point, I'm going to sell this market. Okay, so that's it for now. I don't have much to do today. It's like I just have to trade and then clean the house, but at the same time watch more of my charts, and then I have some school projects to be writing on, so I'll basically be busy on school projects, trading, writing. Like that's my whole duty today. Okay, but I still wanted to catch up with you guys so that I can explain to you guys my perspective of the market. It's been a while since I did explain my perspective of the markets to you guys. So it's currently past 8 and it's getting to London session full time, but I'm still waiting for that volume. Okay, I still want to get that volume from the market, and that's where I'm going to really get into this market. But right now I'm still watching conservatively from the site and see what the market is doing, and then from there I'll get in full time. I'm just really hungry guys, but there's just fufu and huckleberry, so I'll eat, but not now, and I just have to go and then carry out the house cleaning. Guys, so it's already dropping. I just have to go ahead and sell right now. It's already dropping guys. I've entered with one more position. I don't know if you guys can see well, but I just entered with one more position. I think it's floating right now. It's like two more positions loading already. I'm going to add one more position again when I find another push again. If I see another push again to the upside, I'll stack in again one more position to a sell, and basically wait for it to push down. When it pushes down again, I'll stack in with one more position. So right now I'm just playing the waiting game. Guys, remember the trade I told you guys? I said I was waiting for a pullback for price to come up to this level, and I was going to sell this market all the way back again down. Guys, look at what has happened, and price is pushing aggressively downward. Jeez, look at what is happening guys. I flipped this account from $7 to $15, and it's still moving guys. It's still pushing aggressively guys. This is how I take my trades sometimes, and this is how I flip my accounts. So this is it guys. I'll just go ahead and secure all my entries and just watch the market run risk free.